Hello? Oh, go on. You know, say, eh? I want to call you the depend. Oh, come did I call you before? Okay. Anyway, I want money me they call you for. Yes, man, just lend me one money or give me it. Give me it, because I don't know figure you back. Give me nobody lend me, because you're not going to get it back. I something want to go start out, man. I beg you to lend more money because you know the partner thing go already. I have to wait. Because they say other people in it before me, so I have to wait until they give me for me draw. But I give you back if you give me, you know. I joke me on it, man. Hold on there. Somebody a call me. Hold on. I'll call you back. Hang up. Let me answer that. What on, cuz? You want me to take care of her? I don't say no, you know. But all the money part I go. Because right now, me in a whole heap of difficulties to sort out a whole heap of things and can't get to sort out it. So, you have to go pay me. I don't tell no lie, although I'm my cousin. No, man, it's rough out there, man, it's rough. Things rough. More money to spend. I know I'm my cousin, but you don't have to give me the exact money where I give somebody else. Stop telling me about say, if I know my family. Yes, I'm my family, but I want money to spend too. Hold on there, cuz. Hold on there. Would I really stay with her, you know? 18-year-old, and I'm my cousin. Yeah, me understand. Would I stay with her? Me understand what you're saying. But you know my place. She can't stay there. I want to go full cube me live in and me and my man. You know a place already. I want to go full cube. Me and my man, you know in town already. Yes. You know how him stay and me can't have one 18-year-old in there with him. Because I not trust him no tall neither. But me can get somebody. Yeah, me can get somebody for you. But you know the money part, go you know the money have to be big. Okay, and your family that. May I hear you? Yeah. Yes, girl. Alright. Me go talk to somebody when me know. And then me get back to you. Okay, alright, cool. Alright, yeah, me hear you, yes. Alright. Not like spend money, and that we do know. Fiona!
Come in.
Hi, Wagwan.
I'm good.
Alright, you can come in.
Yeah, about to crop your shoes.
So your place dirty, but you take off shoes.
Can I have a seat?
Fiona, may I ask if you can do a favor for me? I need a favor there. I know you can do it, So please nobody say no.
What's the favor?
I look about one little picnic for my family, then they overseas. The little picnic rude, all of them my cousin. And the people them are my family and they have money and not even dollar they won't give me. They say me and them are sitting there if me can't look about my cousin. But you know fear. Because a whole heap of time I have a whole heap of important business when I could have start out and get a thing. And two my little cousin when I have to stay with, I don't make no money. So here what I want you to do now.
Get to the point now.
Listen man, why you rush me so? Listen what I answer man. I have to think first enough and I have to make sure say I will get money to give you. You understand?
This is business.
I work, I go work. Listen man, I just want to make sure say, because my family them I have to think first. Listen what I answer. I want you to take care of your youth. And you are going to take care of the youth. So then we pay you because you and them and them. You not get the grief. Two me and them related then now pay me youth. But me and your friend. But me not go act like me and no friend. You see? But me must be your friend for a long time. So when you take care of you and me get the money because they won't give me the money to give you, because I tell them say me get a job. So me can't bother stay with him no more. So I go look over the little picnic. But I need them to go send the money come get. So me get the money me give you, but you have to go give me a thing out there. You can benefit from it. Yeah. Beneficiary to the two away. The two away can benefit from it. What do you think?
Sounds like a plan. So why?
You're up to it or you're not up to it. Because me and your friend, we can use somebody else, you know, but to me and your friends a long time, I know say you know if you take care of picnic. So I rather you take care of you. You go do it or you not do it. Because I'm serious right now, you know. If you not do it, you tell me I'm money this, you know. You want it or you don't want it.
So what percentage will I receive?
Me not know they never pay me yet. So me can't know how much when you alright. You see if you say yes now, you're gonna take care of the child. Me can go make the call and say me get somebody to take care of you, then we know how much them are gonna give you. Then me can make you know after what if you ask me something we don't know. What me I go tell you say? $1 million when I must say $1 them are go plan to give you.
Alright, I'm not gonna say yes, I'm not gonna say no, but
no, you have to say something right now because me need somebody to take care of a child.
Tell them say you get somebody. You hear me?
Me I listen.
Tell them say you get somebody and discuss payment with them and it's get back to me from there.
They don't want to hear that. You don't know my family them. Don't tell them to tell them say. They serious just like me. Anything where they say, it they mean. Me have to make sure say me get somebody. As so they stay. Cause if me go say Ray blah blah, they not in that. They must say me to get somebody else. You're in it or you're out of it. Which one? Then we pay you good enough.
Alright, me in it.
Me tell us that then we pay you good. It's up to you, you know. Fiona, what you deal with?
Once money is involved and it pays so good.
Well, you're gone run back one day. So
Yeah.
You know, say for a long time, you know, say you stay. So for a long time, when time you did smaller.
I love money, you know that. But
no, but me love money. Everybody love money. Who can earn love money? But the way you go on, my girl, like, me no want to do it, but through the money, me I go do it.
I don't have to do it.
You know,
it's
I
not
feel
my
it's
child
up
or
to
my
you.
relative. Well, I said yes, so what's the problem?
Listen, but if you act like it, me no want you take my little cousin and they go on like you don't want to take care of
No,
her.
I will, man, I will. Let me tell you this. It's 18-year-old. They're not easy to deal with. Number 1, them love man. Number 2, them love man. Number 3, them love man. I have no problem with she coming to my place, but once she not carry no money, that's fine.
Fiona, me, Priscilla, you talk to. A long time me your friend. Me a big woman, I am not a child. You don't know say. In your head long time say me must know about 18-year-old, but it's not every 18-year-old is the same. Some 18-year-old children will grow up. Them understand and know say if my mother left me with somebody, I feel behave myself. Some yeah of course, I don't lie I tell. But the way you say love man, how you try to say about my cousin?
I don't judge and I'm just saying. I don't judge.
Precisely, you are trying to make it look difficult. Like if you are home, She go and bring one man and you don't want no man in your yard.
I'm not saying she's going to, but there might be a possibility. She might do that. But I don't want that. I'm just trying to bring
Fiona,
her
I know your style now. A Priscilla you talk to. Remember, a long time I know you. You see you? What goes around comes around. You see how stay with him. I don't want
So
pearl.
you're here to argue with me?
No,
Or to ask for a
I say
favor?
I don't want pearl. No, I don't ask for no favor.
You want to leave now?
It's a job you get.
Okay, thank you.
I am
Want to leave
not
now?
asking you for no favor. Because if you don't want to do it, I can get somebody else. I just rather you do it with me and your friend.
Okay, thank you.
I don't know how you try to disrespect me ask me if I want to leave now. What that for?
Because
I don't understand that part there. We are friends or we no friend? Fiona, for a long time you love to insult me. Why you always try to insult me and talk to me like that? And you know something head no good.
I don't insult people.
No, but if you are, listen, me and you just walk in here so from road. And me tell you say me want to talk to you about something important. And then you, me not even finish talk to you, you are going to say to me say, if me want to leave now. What you mean? That mean you run me from your yard. And that you do. Don't insult me. Don't take me intelligence if you're foolishness.
Okay, Priscilla, stay there. If you don't want to leave, you stay, alright?
I don't understand this. So how it look like you take your work and a vex and they take it. I don't understand. Me I talk to you, you turn your back, you lie down. I mean in your place. I was saying on my yard.
Priscilla.
Insult me.
I'm not in a good mood.
Listen
You're
to
trying
me.
to irritate me.
It look like you
I
and your
respect
man.
the
You know
fact
what?
that-
You know why I not go argue and cuss?
Why?
Because I don't beg me and beg you, you know, I don't ask for no favor, like no favor like a free. You go take care of my 18-year-old cousin final. You go get paid. You understand? So somebody can't give her not because me and your friend. You don't say a treat friend. And the worst of all, oh me and your friend shouldn't even want to talk to me so me there yard. Me not come to beg you nothing to eat, you know. Not even one cup of water, me no want from you, because from you live much younger. Remember say me all you for a long time we do the liquor. You not clean. I mean no want nothing from you to eat, me not tell no lie, but two me know say you get bigger now and you start keep your place clean. That's why I want you stay with me cousin. Because I look like you change, but me no want nothing from you for I'm not rank with me. You can take care of my cousin, you're going to make you get the work and you're going to get the pay. What is your problem? It look like you see where you act? It look like you want the money first before my cousin even come to your yard. I don't like your style.
How are you doing, sir? You go on, go.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you've won a cash prize of $1 million. Yes, ma'am. All you have to do is send your account number, your name, and your address. Yes, ma'am. All you have to do...
Javi!
1 minute, ma'am. I will call you back in 5 minutes. What you do ya?
Javi, where you?
Brother, you know, sir, we have to live.
Nah, man. No.
But you know how much my rent right now? 20 odd thousand.
Brother, you move out of your place, you know. You must have a house, you know. Separate from Yasso. You understand me, I say? It's a nice apartment place.
Yes.
But anyway...
This is a safe space. Remember, say, you alone know some live here, sir, you know.
Right,
You alone know some live here, sir. Because I want to live a comfortable life. But I don't have no woman and will bother me. I don't have nobody, my parents, nobody will bother me. Brother, if you should at least call me say you come check me.
Boy, I tell you. But you're right.
Me just need to go get a good chop out of one foreign woman.
Brother, man, and chop you up, you know. That me I tell you, you know. I chop, you know, you go on like, if you can't chop.
You probably funny.
Yeah. Vanity.
You know, say, me a choppy line, get me the phone, then two phone, one iPhone.
So what you do with two of them? That's the first thing. Eh? Two you have.
Yeah.
13, then 14.
Yeah, exactly.
Eh? So what?
Because I can look. Brother,
One digital and one a flow? That? Brother.
no, what a digital, what a flow, and what a digital, and what a flow too.
Alright, brother. You also want to go on for the lane because I just come off for the road and thing, and I have to say, I come get a link because a long time I followed one or so.
You know, say, I'm just the upstairs, and I say, the woman there, come send me some money, so I just come around that corner, but, you know, so I'm here some upstairs door.
Oh, yeah.
When I tenant them, she cuss with the lady here, but I never really hear argument good enough, but me hear them a cuss up there, but some girl that come move by apartment.
Girl that come move in an apartment. What do you mean by that?
I don't know.
Hold on. That one Rasta lady. You know, so I pass her and I say to myself, so what the hell she do up here? I want,
You know her?
She not straight, you know. When we talk about not straight, it means that she always has
She
some
have-
bandolo business. Anyway, see her.
How kind of family she have?
Some hard-working family she have, but they don't trust her a certain way. So anything she up to right now is for something to make some money. I can't tell her that. So, but anyway, we say one new food, one young girl, one big woman, one.
I don't know exactly, you know, but me here say she rolled probably like she have age, you know.
What do you mean have a age? Like she ready for? Eh?
Yeah. You know where you are there, I think. Me already know you, you know.
But they know.
I never hear I just because me can hear it. That's why me even come out here saying that, because me can hear up them.
The conversation.
Yeah, because you win the right. That's why I have to keep
a low profile.
But me hear argument, man, like you man wants some money for her family. So she has sent her cousin up here, so. But I hear conversation good, you know.
Brother,
What?
no. You not tell her already, so fine, you see she there run the place, some man do. Because I said to her, so what you do up here, so? Because I know say something, but anyway, I hope everything work out well, but so, I didn't tell her when you go reach her?
No. Probably
I would
like,
like to see her like
1 week or so. But you don't live up here where you mean you walk.
No, but I come
You know, come check me every single day for just some girl, you know.
No, you don't know you go there. We're fractal there, you know.
But if you want a place, if you look at place, you know, I can help you, you know. Because other day, I even rent out one night place, so I need as Airbnb, you know. You sure?
You know my place there, you know, in the country, alright. You know what I mean?
But if you know nobody.
Want a place?
Yeah.
Alright, no problem.
Alright.
So everything good otherwise though?
Yeah, everything
You
good.
sure?
Of
Brother,
course.
you for something, you know. Not car something, you know.
Money.
Because me a bridge, you know, then can't catch quark, then go catch you. You answer me and say, you have to eat for something. But brother.
Alright.
Brother. Hungry your bang
Yeah.
and do what you do, but do it safe.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
If a big man can't give me a thing still, you know.
Yeah. Me call you when the person come, man.
Alright.
Because we know what you say. You have 5 baby mother and you want the next one, thank God. Go about your business, man.
I use both, man.
Go about your business, man.
Alright, brother, we talk here.
Hey, me call back the woman there real quick, because I not lose $1 million because of the idiot boy, you know.
You go over here, so.
I like it.
You sit down here, so now. Nice little spot this for chill out. Yes.
I like up here.
Okay, Shanika. You know your mother want me to take you at my house. She says she wants somebody like me to take care of you. But the way she act like you're a 5-year-old. I mean, know you're 18. But guess what? You know you're a big girl. I mean, know when you reach certain age, you don't think about boyfriend and this and that and rare blah blah. But you see your mother there overseas, you don't know how hard she have to work to support you. I love you, my little cousin. I not tell no lie about you. You can't stay with me.
Why I can't stay with you?
Shanika.
But you have 3 rooms. Why I can't stay with you?
No. That's the way they talk about. I'm a friend them place. So you don't know for me original house, you have 1 room, look like one full cup. Your mother know for me place where I live.
Mama
so
won't work and help you with the bills, so I don't see what the issue. Why I can't stay with you? It come like you don't want me to live with you. Just
I
tell me
live,
not feel no way.
Alright, listen me Shanika. Let me say Shan, because Shan me always call you from your liquor, but me know say Shanika your name. Listen, Shan, let me tell you something. You see if I did me one live in the little full cup where I live, I not tell no lie. No problem for you stay with me. But you're 18 and you see the man me have, I don't trust him. I don't trust him a bit. I say if you go tell him back, so I say it. Kind of ignorant and dark and
I never
fool.
did that in the first place.
I say you go do it, I just tell you if nobody mention it. I just tell you something, you know, because I'm a little cousin and I know you're sensible. Listen
so
with me.
since you're not keep me, right? I can't stay with you.
Me
I
tell you
don't have
already.
nowhere to go.
No, me
what
go
the
get
best
somebody, me have one friend and me can make you stay with.
friend? A stranger that, you know?
No, but she live somewhere good, better even when me stay.
What if she not treat me good?
If she not treat you good, well, we'll see about that after. Me will come for you or you phone me and tell me what I go on. But all me I beg you, please, you see when you go there, no carry no man go yard. Because I go tell you one little secret. And my friend, you know, she named Fiona. I tell you about her friend now. She's a very nice person. You understand? But she jealous over everything and she miserable and old. She act like an old woman and she a young girl. Me not tell her like a long time me and her a friend. And me tell her say Fiona miserably. So everything vex her. She bawl over everything. She is very emotional. Yes. So you have to be careful of what you say to her because she easy to vex. But your mother supposed to send money come give me to pay she take care of you even though you're 18. When I say take care, nobody feel say I don't daycare you going on. When you understand me, she go stay, so you have to understand the drift. You get me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So me I beg you. Me know you not know manners for a long time when you did little. But me and you are family, so me will cope with your dirty style them. But remember, you're not know nothing and she don't know you and you don't know her. Do me I beg you, please have manners to her. Because you see what you not do, she go add on it and me know she can. And you see what you do, she go tell me. So she go add on plus take off. It's like she do maths.
Okay.
Minus and addition. So be careful with her. You hear? Do. If you have one little boyfriend, remember, no carry him good eh. And if you me not say if you have a boyfriend, but you reach the age where me know say, you know we think about this something, who to tell if you not have one man already. But be careful. Remember to use protection because me know why your mama turn overseas. And come call me on the phone and cuss me say, me did tell you say, you fit turn with her. No, you go send her go give your friend. Because you know fear mouth big and loud already. And my mouth big, loud and dirty. More than fear. And me no want me and your mother have anything. And my cousin, close cousin, please me they beg you.
Alright.
Please, Shan, behave yourself. Just, if you're even not innocent, act like you're innocent. Me know say I don't know good girl, you know, but me know me keep you with part me and me man there.
You make me sound bad. You make me sound bad.
No, but listen. Me know your style already, you know, Shan. Me know your style already, you know. But my friend, no know you, so me have to act like you're the best behaving girl in the whole world. So if you're not good, act like you're good. When you see she carrying her man them, cut your eye. Because she's very jealous. Because you see too, you look better than her. You're sexier than her.
Really?
You're hotter than her. You don't know who me attack. Me just tell her about do. Nobody go tell her about. My cousin say me look better than you because she go phone the same time and say come take you out her house. No laugh, what you have to say? I come like me alone and talk.
Fine, I go stick me not have nowhere else to go. You not take me obviously.
I'm not take me no want to take it to Francis.
Yeah, me get it. I go stay with her. Okay?
You go stay with her.
Okay.
Alright.
And me I go behave myself.
You go be
I'll
yourself.
try my best, yeah.
Try your best. Please. So
yeah.
guess what? I know you're so alone, I want to carry going on. But me just want to stop right here so I want to talk to you because too much
Yeah, it's
people
pretty bad.
over there so full of people. And they're fast, they're inquisitive and nosy. I mean, I don't put their nose on because business. Come on, that's what I tell you, right? Come on. But poor give me girl, we have to pick them. Come on. Come on.
You love the mix up with the
Yes. Fiona! Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Reach.
I'm a little cousin this. She made it that to you.
Hi.
I take my slippers off?
Hello. Alright, I see you go live now. You're not come back with me. You're going to stay with her. I'm a friend for a long time. She might tell us if you take off your slipper go as bad as thing, she's not going to make a let it out of door. I don't come to stay, you know. Yeah?
Before you go, I want to speak to you.
Oh, you want to talk to me?
Yeah.
Alright, come here, my little cousin. Come here. Come here, take care of yourself there. Alright, I can call you any little thing here. Alright, you know I love you already, man. Alright. Come now, see you now, make it talk out your phone.
When you say your cousin, she's 18.
Yeah.
So why your clothes up so short? Make sure so she have manners and come in it.
Fiona.
You know, me stay, me head no good sometime. Me in it, me look a
Fiona.
And make sure so she have the man.
Fiona, please, don't start. She just come, you don't know nothing about her. Please, me I beg you, nobody start. No start it. She are 18. You can wear anything you want. She not hear me the door lock and she gone upstairs.
I hope so.
But she a 18-year-old, why she wear bother you? And it's sitting like she a 14 or 13 or 12.
It's still too short. So my clothes long and me a big man.
Alright, don't worry about it, Fiona, man. Sure. Don't make me catch up over foolishness. Remember, say 18 at the age of consent, you can wear anything you want. She not going to man in your yard.
Well, I
Lick
hope
more.
not. Alright, cause it's about to rain.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Yes.
Me call you.
Yeah, man. Worry yourself.
Alright, and I hope she good as all your son.
Sure, man. You're too miserable.
Hello, dear. What time is it now? You're still in bed?
What?
What time is it now?
What the problem?
It past midday.
Yeah, but what me have to do? Now my first day here.
What you mean?
I'm my first day here, so what you mean? I'm morning, man, I have nothing to do.
Alright. This house, it has some kind of rules. Not really rules, but there are certain things they must do in this place. Yes,
I'm morning.
yes, the house needs to clean.
I'm my first day here, man, I mess up your house, so me fi clean up after you.
Whether it be first morning, second morning, or last morning, you must try to get yourself used to the place and active in the place.
Yeah, used to the place. No, used to the place, me get. But when you say wake up and clean, today is my first day here, man, I need to clean up after you.
The first day or your first morning, which one?
First morning, whatever they have to clean, that up to you. Me clean my little ear with me there. So that you wake me up for?
Yeah,
For clean up after you?
after me.
Yeah.
But you're in my house, you remember?
Man, I need for clean up. That's all you have to say? Because mother love to go back on my bed.
So
Okay.
You're joking. You're trying to challenge me? I'm talking to
What you just do? What you just do?
What you just see? What you just feel?
Ma,
Get
what you
up,
just
get
do?
up and start today.
When I come here, I never sign up for this, yeah?
And
I never sign up for this.
for what?
Now put your hand on me. That you not do. As a matter of fact, I'm going to call my cousin and I'm going to reason with her about this. I'm going to have myself a shower,
You're supposed
go
to.
to the bar and
You
take
need it.
myself a drink.
You need to.
I need this from you.
You need a shower.
Guys,
Go.
me to put back my hand for you. You're sorry in this.
Funny. This is my place. Get used to me.
Say a word to my man. cousin. I have something to talk to you about. Your friend. What me do? Me not do nothing. No come jump down my throat. I don't know if she call you first and she tell you what she want to tell you and she add in and she take out, but don't jump down my throat. You see how I stay though? You see how I stay? May I try explain to you? I dey up at the house and I decide to me go leave and go get a drink or something because I not go sit down in a this with her. Alright. May I come? Which part exactly you there? Yeah, I'm there near this so. May I come? Yeah. Yeah, alright, yeah.
Yes. Me know the girl good way I take care of her, you know. Yeah, man, she take care of her. And me go look for her and everything and she look like she alright. Me just tell you. Me know the girl good way I take care of her. Yeah. She not hungry, I must say mad. Anyway. You see the girl you take care of her, you have to make sure you send her money come give me to give her, you know. Because, I'm not telling a lie, I know her good, but she love her money. You see, once she stay there more than 2, 3, 4 days now, she dey look for her money. And she did it go long now. So you need to send the money right now. Send the money come give me now so I can give her. Because that the girl there, you know, one thing with her, you know. We take care of him, you know, but she miserable when he come on to fear money, you know. So hurry up and send him, make me call it because the time they look get dark up like a rain soon come down and I will send it by the way. No, I forgot to tell you. Me not do MoneyGram. Send you Western Union. Yeah, me go collect it now. Alright, little more. Yeah man, send you have all of my information and everything already. I wonder if me can go. MoneyGram alone you can do. Alright, send your MoneyGram. Me go collect it and try me look. Alright, cool. Later, Raina come down later. Call me back little more. Alright.
Call our cousin. Hello? Hello? Okay, how can I trash you come empty my yard gate? Your cousin me a talk about. Imagine you say, me get up early this morning, me tidied the entire house. As the girl wake up, she mess up the entire bathroom. Me give her breakfast in bed. You know what the girl do to me? Take the food, come dash in my face and tell me say the food tastes bad.
Me I come there, me dey on one call.
Alright.
What you say?
Me I talk to her nicely, me I try to be her friend. Me talk to her nicely, but she not no manners. I'm not like that because you know me stay, me very rank, me very feisty. And she had challenged me in my place, me not like that. Me not like it. She too rank and feisty. Me I beg you please, call your cousin and talk to her.
My cousin call you trash. Feel my cousin where you are stay with, Shanika. Call you trash. Dash sitting in your face and keep the bathroom dirty. But me no know Shanika have them the kind of somebody there. No, Shan not stay so.
Yes,
She a clean girl. And my cousin me not take up for her. She clean. I mean, no she they do them there's something to people. I don't understand. What you talk about?
As a matter of fact, send me her number. I think me need her number. Send me her number. Calm down. I'll come when the sea roll over.
Anyway, me
And
call
I
you
can
back.
bring
Me,
you
me
back
call you
into
back.
yard for- Yeah, man.
Me busy right now. Me go call you back and talk to you. Alright? Okay.
Mm.
So she a call me trash. Or she said me a call her trash. Which one? I hear her friends too. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. Yeah, man. Because I'm a little girl, I'm a this, I'm a that. And you are going to believe because I'm young. And you say it yourself too, you know. You say it yourself. I don't have no manners. Yeah, man. So I have nothing to say. Good, man.
Shan,
Yeah.
you don't know if I believe her. So don't judge me wrongfully. Because I know me not say nothing to you. The girls say you throw stuff in her face. You mess up the bathroom, you keep the place nasty. And you disrespect her and want it for sitting. Me never agree with her, say you this and you that. No. Me not agree with her because I know me and her no hold a good steady medi on the conversation yet. You understand me?
Remember say, we know.
So me ask you one question. You throw something in her face?
We know.
Me ask you one question. Me not say you do it, you know. Because me know you
you're
is
not
not.
even listen to me.
Shan, just listen, me know you is not that type of person. But me ask you if you do it.
No. And you can't listen to me, you know.
Alright, go on.
What me I say is, I'm a first night there. Remember some of bed before I go to yard. I never need for bed because night did I come down. Right? I go to my bed. She come in the morning, wake me up. At what time are you still in bed? What time are you still in bed? Things need they in the house for do. So I say, what you mean things they in the house for do?
The first night when you stayed there? That she said to you?
So wait now. Remember say, if I wake up in the morning and things in the house to do, are the things that she already used
Shan,
and messed
but
up.
if you did a play a fool of yourself, you don't know, say she go call me and tell me all kind of stupidness about you. Because I know her dirty style already, you know.
Yeah.
You now call me because you're well comfortable and alright. So me go feel everything they go on good there.
On my
So.
first night, like I say, it's my first night. She mess up her own house and expect me to wake up and clean up after fear mess. I never did go do that after I maid.
But I just few little weeks I did and you go tell me say the first night all of them is something that happen and me just know. If she thinks say she can use her head for me, for me make my cousin overseas send more money come give me on top of what she dey give me for give her. She not gonna get no more than what me tell her say she get.
What you mean? Like I say, I'm a first night, my dear. I never even get views or bathroom. I never bed. Because I must have bed before when you bring me go there. I never need to bed another night. I just go straight to my bed. So anything that she want me to clean up, when me go there go see me now clean up after now.
We don't worry about what she say for. Don't worry about what she say.
Not to mention she grabbed my ear, you know. I'm gonna touch her. I'm gonna lick her.
What you just say?
She grabbed my ear, I'm gonna lick her back. I just say, you know what? I'm gonna put on my clothes and come out of the house and I suck up my come out.
But you can't come out. The grab when she grab your ear, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Me will work on that part there for you. Leave that there in my hand. Because everything is well governed. And me, I run the show, not she. You stay her yard, she'll get pay feed. Stay there and don't come out. And she can't make you come up on the street without my consent. Because me left you in a fear and she will get in a big problem.
And the next thing, what you mean few days? I still ask about, what you mean yesterday you bring me
If you go to England and then lock up you, you go to prison. Then count night as one day, morning as one other day, in the evening as one next day. We are taxes. So every hour you do this for one day. What we are talking about?
You see you know one night I spend at the lady yard, but it's alright. You know where you up to, you know?
I'm not up to nothing.
You know where
Because
you up.
just stay there. Anything we want, me will buy you. You're not even a name from her. Because if she gone so far till she can grab you in your head, that means a war she'll look with you. So me definitely have to go speak to her about it. Before it get out of hand worse than this. Because I have nowhere else to put you in no more than this. So.
good man. Everybody always treat me bad.
You're not
think?
gonna
No, but why you think me bad? Everybody me go around treat me bad. You notice I'm
Shan.
not there?
Shan, when I say everybody X me out type because anything they around me ever treat you
I
nice.
don't know, because you bring me a stranger yard.
Yeah, there again. Lord God, talk about it. Me know say she a stranger to you, but she's not a stranger to me. And because me know her, that's why me make you can go stay there. So, she remember say a little piece of foul cook me live in her. Me can't make you come stay with me, me tell you before. It's a me that they stay with. You understand me? So just stay there some hold on until me find somebody else where you can stay with because that girl, you not even know who you have to deal with, you know. Just humble yourself, man. Humble yourself, humble can't suck the most milk. Just be yourself, me know who you be. Me know you not dash nothing in her face and me not go take up fear. Now tell me, say, I'm a friend, me not go listen to you. Remember, say, you said that, you know. Say me I go believe she because you're bad this and bad that, but not go so. You're my favorite cousin. Just stay there so for a little while until me sort out certain things. Then me move away from there so.
You know what I say? I'm 18 and as much as all the things I'm bad, the most my bad would have to fight in a school and thief a little bit. But I'm virgin, you know. I never have a boyfriend before. And it would have better, much better if I did have a little boyfriend or three. One for keep my comfort, one for help me financially, and one for support. You know?
Shan.
Just listen,
No,
listen to
you
me,
just listen because you look like you want to mash up my plan. And a scam me now. Some mind what you do. You understand
me?
me?
I say you scam, but me I say if me have a little boyfriend or something, we could have rent somewhere.
Boyfriend? Then if you go there with boyfriend and mash up my plan. Shan, take out boyfriend out of your head.
What kind of plan you talking about?
Listen to me. I have a plan. As soon as the plan start out, me take you from that girl yard. And me left from the folk when me there and rent a bigger place where you're more comfortable and we stay right there. So we live lavish.
I understand, but me just say it better if me did have somebody for myself. You have somebody for yourself.
Shan, you're my prettiest
but you
cousin
have
and you're
somebody
sensible.
for yourself, though. Me don't have, but me don't have nobody when me want somebody for talk and me don't have no boyfriend for comfort me or nothing like that.
Why you don't go on your knees and pray? You think a man can comfort you alone? You better you go on your knee and pray to God and God will give you all of the comfort you want. But you're not easy. And you have me to call. You're not calling me. You did sit down and listen to this little dry foot girl when me appear for you stay with her. Call me anytime you feel left out, like you don't have nobody. Your mother now come back to Jamaica for now. I'm me responsible for you. Me go they make you stay there so for a while with that idiot there.
If I hear a friend of you or something.
No, she was my friend. Me and her did break up for a long time.
Okay.
Long time. But we talk back. So me and her not that close again, but show me know her and she have this space. Yes. That's why I make her stay there so.
Fine.
But me sorry for everything will happen between you and she. But you can call me. Me your big cousin, just call me. Call me, man.
For comfort me, cause
Yes, I will dear all the time. Just call me. And anyway she put back her hand on you about she grab you in your head. Make sure you call me because I know me and her go have it out right there so you left from her yard. I'm serious. Is it like content with me in a fall cub or I find somewhere else? No, you better make you find somewhere else and stay because I plan to mash up.
still no want me stay with you. But anyways, it's
I don't stay, me no want you stay
Alright,
with
make
me.
it stay.
Me just
feel
whether
no
you
way. Me
you
no
see
feel
right
no
now, if you're not staying with she, you cannot stay with me. You have to stay with somebody else. Because I plan to mash up.
Okay.
Young boy don't understand, you know. I don't understand. I have a lot of plans. Me just not really not ready to explain me and tell you it. I'm a matter of fact, that the plan that me can't tell you neither. Rain a come down, you hear thunder roll. Guess what? Because get up and come on. Me just send you around. You understand? Me just send you around. You know.
Whatever, it's fine. Whatever.
Sit down. Me I go sit down for a while. Just go on round. Go on round to her. And make sure you find something to eat. If I don't come check you later, you check it tomorrow or one day in a week. You know, so me's a busy person.
With all of this way I say, listen to me. Come around at the house and talk to it. Because me will damage it as little as my body is. Me will damage
Nobody
it.
put yourself in no problem.
You
Because
hear me?
you know, stay with me. Don't put yourself in no problem. Do. Me they beg you. Go on.
Alright.
Yeah, man, later. Later, my cousin, you look nice, do. Always keep up your body good. Nobody go keep no boyfriend, you know. Oh. I go and call this girl. This girl must think say go mash up my plan. This girl must think say she go mash up my plan and make me not get all of that the money there from overseas from my cousin. You're mad? Alright, later. I know you may talk to man and something me I try remember something. I know you everything good. Yeah. You think more on my side to make a call. Oh, she gone, you know. Let me call this a white witch of Rosalia. Wicked. I wonder why the phone ring and she not answer. Hello, Fiona. Yes, back to you now. I told me they busy, they do something. What you say now? What did I say about my little cousin? How she dash things in your face and bathroom nasty where she a keep untidy and all kind of. What you say? What you mean? What you mean? Say, you dey talk to me and me never want to hear you. Me dey tell you say me I go, girl, I want man me meet and me when sit down and I want nice little cool shady round one table to talk to one man and they have little juice. You hear that? What you talk say? Fiona, me know your style. And if you go tell no lie for my cousin, nobody start it. Because I not go kill my cousin sake because you rather take her from your yard. What you mean? Okay. Okay. You want the money. So what happened between you and my cousin? What happened between you and she? My cousin, even though she cannot stay with me because of the little piece of foul cob, as me tell you 1 million times. 1 million times. Eh? What? My cousin has stay so. Fiona, me know you a long time a liar they tell upon her. Me not see her yet fi talk to her about it, but a liar they tell. She not do it. She will move fi come grab you up and fight you, but a liar they tell. Oh God. All of them there's something you say she do? Shandy, all of them there's something there? Me no know, but me just not believe. Nobody chat about blood thick and water in this. Because no blood no in this, neither water. Ungo me and you. Ungo me and you in it right now. I pay you to take care of my cousin. Me not pay you to take disadvantage of her. And I hope when me see her, she nobody tell me say you and her in a nothing and you go do her anything, you know. Because you know say for me head sick. Everything what you just tell me. Me don't believe you. Me disbelieve you. Shani's not like that. If you mess around her, she more to grab you up and fight you. She not dash nothing in your face and when you chat about nasty, what you mean? My little cousin are the cleanest somebody ever come off your yard. Because not if God knows. God forgive me. If they go say this and not disrespect, but I truth a reality. Right now, Shan cleaner than you. Because me can know about cleansing. You say, Brighty, girl, me can talk to you anyhow. Remember, say me I pay you to do it. Liberty come to carelessness, you're damn right. That's why when you know say you go to school, you have to take on a book and a subject. You wouldn't have to turn with people picnic. Big Shan you have to turn with. Like a kindergarten you run. Who tell you if you know no subject? Me? Back at the class you did this. Sorry. Anyway, when the time comes for you getting money, I go collect it and care come you. And please, may I ask you, take care of Shan. Please. Take care of her. And me have to go leave right now. Alright, little more. Yeah. Damn bright.
Javi! Hello.
Hi.
Me a second.
Mm-hmm.
My name is Public, but I have a friend named Javi living here. Do you know if he's there?
I think that's the guy that live right here because it's only one guy who lives on the complex.
Yeah, okay.
But I don't know him for talk to him.
Okay, but you new here, not true? Like it.
I stay here. I'm staying here. It's literally just cause it's my first day here.
Wow.
Because I came yesterday in the evening.
My God. Let me introduce myself. Reintroduce myself. My name is Public. You know, but they call me Public, but my name is officially Kemar. You know what I mean? And your name is?
It's Sean. But
Sean?
I'm really not in a good mood to
I can
talk.
see that, but guess what now? You see, sometimes in life, it's not about the mood, it's about the vibe and the energy. Because look at it now. I'm not supposed to see you, you know. I'm there to talk to you. Why? Because the energy is supposed to be, you know, connected right here so today. You understand what I say? But then again, what can put a pretty girl like you in a bad mood?
Life just rough, okay?
Life.
Mm-hmm.
Live life alone, man. You have to live it. You have your life. I bet you a small life and make your life rough. And you have your life. Why you do that? You understand what I say? You can't focus on them energy, but as I said, me there now, and you know, I wanted to see my friend just to have a good conversation with. I know that you know what I mean, fit that perfect space.
I see.
You understand? So let's start from the beginning. So who the hell can put you in a bad day today? Eh?
Honestly, I don't want to get into that. That is a whole another twisted scenario.
You have a hot date? You
They-
have summer going? Talk to me, man. 'Cause I guess I know it's in life. It's something you have to find that source to release that energy. You understand me I say? Because you need to let it go. You can't hold on to it. No, it's what? You see places that look cloudy, don't take up the you know, the atmosphere's energy. I mean, talk to me, man. So what could I actually be triggering off this negative vibe?
Well, it's gonna rain soon, so we can't stand up in the rain and talk to you about that.
It's a better way. Find some shade, ain't you?
Sure.
You sure?
Like me say, it's a twisted scenario, you know. So, if you want to know the story, you'll be sitting for a while. Alright, listen. I stay with somebody right now, so it's a person's place, right? But other than that, I'm lonely. I don't have a partner. I've never had a partner, and I just want somebody to talk to about my problems, to cuddle with every now and then, and somebody to hear me for once in my life. I don't have that. I have nobody.
You see me? You can't see me? I'm invisible. I'm invisible?
You're such a joker.
Because exactly this is what you need. Sometime in life, you have to understand that the connections happen because I just said it. You understand what I say? Sometimes the only thing you really want is a little hug. Come here. Come here, tell us something. Come here, man. Something you want is a hug, you know.
A big question. Are you even single?
For you, what do you think? I'm gonna be honest. As a man, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna go and let me go around the bush and say me this and me that, but I'm connected to you for some reason. You understand what I say? And there's no doubt about that. You can't, I know you can feel the vibe.
A little.
Yeah, exactly. You know what I mean? So sometimes you have to follow the vibe, the mood, and just make nature to flow like the river.
Okay.
You understand?
So,
who are you upstairs right now?
alright, so she left. She's supposed to come back by 7 o'clock, so we'll have some time to talk. You want to come in and chill?
Come and talk now. Have a long conversation.
Okay.
Alright? Wow.
Oh, stop looking at me.
Jesus. Are you room there?
Yes, my room. Like it?
Yeah, man, a nice space, man. Bed firm?
It's firm enough.
Firm enough? Yeah. Oh, man! No, man. So, you see, I go on. So, hold on. So, nobody not come catch me?
No, she gone.
She gone, you sure?
Yeah.
So, what time she say she come
Well,
back?
you can't worry, so she gone.
No, man, what about you?
Normally she come back about 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, you say first day.
Yeah,
Your phone
but
that?
I know what she do.
Are your phone is going for you?
Mm-hmm. Lord, God,
You
you're
sure
so
she has all
jumpy.
that
So jumpy.
No, me
Relax.
just
Relax.
took my lips then. Lord, me just want to know, say, if I'm there and enjoy myself, you know what I mean?
Stop
Don't catch me.
worrying.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Alright. You ready?
So you said,
You ready?
a long time.
Jesus, long
Been
time.
a craving.
Me?
kind of feel insecure.
Insecure more.
Because
Why you close my door? Pull the door. Pull the door. This is not your door to be closing. Pull the door.
come in, come in. Because it's not that long, you know. And I'm rolling up.
Make sure nothing go out the road, you know.
Man, I just meet you too. Who will tell? Sure.
Myself, you know.
Yeah, girl, are you that?
What is going on here?
What do you mean?
It's my friend. Him do locks, him normally do my locks.
You can't be here better than that.
Man, I gave you permission to carry your friend to do your hair in my house.
You have to do here or not?
I gave you permission.
What's going on?
You can excuse, please? Just excuse.
You must make camera this. Yo,
Where you go?
yo, call me.
Say you have to make people make it.
Call me there.
That's what you do? Yes, what you do? Excuse out of my room.
It's your place.
I'm not argue with you. Come out of my room.
No, you're pushing your look, right? I need not re-entertain my house. Hear that? And your friend look like a little rave.
Amen.
Thank you.